If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this pretty blue plain LED compact mirror into this lovely rhinestone embellished Paw Patrol themed mirror for my 3-year-old daughter, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I am going to be adding some decor to this plain LED mirror. Everything that you see here I'm going to add to it. I'm going to start off by using a little bit of sandpaper just to rough up the surface before we get started. Once I'm finished with this, then I'm going to take some alcohol and wipe away the dust and debris. I've done one of these before, and when I did my mirror, my daughters loved it. They're 3 and 9, and they just had to have one. So my youngest daughter, she's 3, and she absolutely loves the color blue. She loves Paw Patrol. She loves Sonic the Hedgehog. So I let her choose from my little stash of things, and these are the pieces that she chose, and I just took what I could fit and add them on. So what I'm doing now is I'm just laying things out to get an idea where I want to put them. I'm going to be using UV resin as my adhesive today. It's a quick lock and hold, and I absolutely love the UV resin for that reason. And everything is going to be nice and sturdy and locked on within minutes. So first I'm going to start with this cute little bear, which I made from UV resin. You can get little bear molds from Amazon. And I'll have a link where you can get everything that I'm going to use in this video. So I started out with the bear. And now I'm just going to see which side the Chase from Paw Patrol character Planner, what side he's going to fit on the best. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the UV resin, place him on there, and I'm just going to keep going from here. This definitely makes a very, very affordable DIY gift. This mirror was under $10, and it has 3 different light settings, and it's the most adorable thing. They have quite a few different colors you can choose from. I think they have black, pink, white, silver, blue. They may have purple. But then, of course, if you're going to cover it up anyway with rhinestones or something, or you can paint it and then cover it up how you please, or you can use a Sharpie. So there's quite a bit that you can do with these. I have these cute little plastic bubbles that I purchased from Michael's. I just adore these. They don't have much of a shine, but they're just a nice filler for the background. So I'm going to use some of these here and there as well. Just think about if you wanted to make someone something for their birthday and you didn't have a lot of money. This is something that you can definitely do. Personalize it for them. If you're a bride and you wanted to have something to give to your bridesmaids, I think this will be a great bridesmaids gift as well. Or just something for yourself to throw in your purse. And it doesn't take long at all. If you don't have UV resin or you're not a fan of it, that's fine as well. You can use E6000, Liquid Fusion, Gorilla Glue, whatever suits you best. just remember when you're using UV resin, it kind of, your things, especially like these big gems, they'll start to slide. So it is kind of best to go piece by piece like I did in the beginning. Or you can do like a section by section like how I'm doing. This was very fun to make, and I'm just showing you here. Just gonna add a little touch here. The lollipop is cute as is, but I had this little circular, I think they call it like a moon rock rhinestone. I decided to add that just to give it a little extra razzle dazzle, and I love it. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of this little compact mirror for my 3-year-old daughter. This is so adorable. She absolutely loves it. I love it, and my goodness. So I'm going to be doing one for my 9-year-old daughter next, and she was very excited when she saw her sisters. Now she's super girly and she's into pink, so hers will be pink. But this is nice and fun, you guys. As you can see, this does not take long at all. It would also be a really nice gift that a bride could give to her bridesmaids as a gift to them. These also come in handy because they're very useful. The LED lamp has 3 settings, like I said, and you can glitter them. You could add rhinestones. You could do the planner charms. They're very versatile. They come in many different colors. And if you're a crafter and you want to add something to your pop-up table, I think this would be a very nice addition as well. So yes, you can get these on Amazon. Okay, thanks again for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and share it on Facebook or send it to a friend who may be interested. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10OFF. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.